Hey there, smart coders! It's time to take a .led on a grand tour around the edge of our matrix display with Menu L219. If you're new to our coding adventures, be sure to watch our menu navigation video to learn how to navigate like a pro. At Menu L219, a 10-second pause or a rightward push on the joystick will bring up a helpful tip. If you're ready to jump in, just flick the joystick left to skip ahead. Press the joystick to begin, and if the help message pops up again, no stress, just a quick push to the left and you're on your way. Watch the .led make its journey around the display's edge, perfect for when you start designing your own games. Ready to wrap up? Pressing the joystick like a button will whisk you back to the main menu. You're on your way to becoming a Python pro with each step. Curious about the code? We've got a preview just for you. Want to code it yourself? Our simulator is waiting for you to play and create on your laptop. Looking for a coding friend? Our AI Chatbot Coding Companion is ready to help you out. All set for a coding journey? Your adventure starts at http://schoginitoys.com. Let's explore Python coding together. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.